In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step on how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. Now, I've been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years, and since I started, I am using AliExpress. I have been using AliExpress for 3 years too. So since I started my eBay dropshipping, I started with AliExpress and I stayed with AliExpress. Okay. Now the reason why I use AliExpress is I have full control over my dropshipping business, because AliExpress doesn't include the logo from the like, for example, if you dropship using Amazon will always have like Amazon in the box. Whenever the customer receives the item, they will always see the Amazon there and stuff like that, and there is nothing you can do to not send, like to make Amazon send the package without the Amazon logo in it. There is nothing you can do. The same thing with Walmart. But on AliExpress, I have full control over everything. And there are a lot of items, like cheap items here, that you can list on your eBay store and you can make a profit tomorrow or today. You can start this. And a lot of people are searching for these products because they are cheap. Okay, the reason why AliExpress works for me is because I always compete with other people if they are dropshipping from Amazon, because all the products from Amazon are coming from Alibaba and AliExpress. Now the prices here are very cheap, and that's the reason why I do like $60,000 in sales every single year. Sometimes 6 months I do $60,000 in sales. No, this is not profit, just in sales. So the profit every single month is like $800, $1,000. So I'm not really doing a very good here, but it's like you can scale this, okay, because I'm focusing on other businesses. That's why. Now to start this business, guys, what you need to do, guys, first is to find a winning product. Now this is exactly what you need, guys, is to find a winning product. And yeah, now after you create an account on AliExpress, let me show you first how you can buy from AliExpress. Now for example, let's say that you have dropshipped this product on eBay. Okay, now you want to click on buy now. Okay, and instead of putting here your address, you put the address of the customer. Probably you know this, that's why you are searching for this. Now you put the address of the customer here, and the AliExpress will take care of everything. They will send the package to your customer without the AliExpress logo, without original price. Now a lot of people after you add here the address of the customer, after you add the credit card, make sure you after you buy the item, make sure you contact the seller. Click on after you purchase the item, you want to click on account in the top right, and then click my orders, and you will have to send you will see the message icon. Every product you will see the message icon here. Now I can do that on my other account. I'm just going to go to my other account here. I'm going to click on AliExpress, and I'm going to show you guys how you can I'm going to sign in into my account. Now this is one of my accounts. I use multiple AliExpress accounts for every account because I have multiple accounts on eBay. So as you can see, for example, I have purchased a lot of items. Now every item you buy, you will see this message icon here. It says contact seller. You will have to tell the seller, hi, I am a dropshipper, please don't include the original price in the package. Okay, this is what you need to type here. Hi, I am a drop shipper, please ship the item without original price. Okay, and after, guys, 2 days the tracking number will be available, and you click again on my orders in the top right, and instead of putting, you will see here track order, you want to click on that track order, and you will find the tracking number there, and then you want to go to eBay and give the tracking number to the buyer or paste it there. Okay, it's very easy. Now the only problem, guys, the only thing you need, guys, is to find winning products. Okay, now if you do this, if you list any product you can find on AliExpress, you are not going to get a lot of sales. You have to find products that are proven to work on eBay, that people are interested on eBay. Even if the product has here 20,000 sales, doesn't matter if people are not interested in that exact product on eBay. Now that's why I made the second video about this topic, specifically about how you can start eBay dropshipping from scratch. That video is long, a little bit long, because I explained every single thing. Now drop a like on this video and click the video on the screen. It will help you guys start this business right now, and you will start making money on eBay.